So after everything else that I do in the morning, I do a bit of hobby every single day. Yes, I do knit every single day. And this is a hat that I'm doing. As you can see, this is a very beautiful pattern. And I like to knit every single day. And I've made so many hats. So I'm going to do soon a try on haul with my hats, with the hats that I've knitted, that I've made. And I hope you're going to like this video soon. It's exactly Christmas time, when you wear things that are keeping you warm. So hats are very much an accessory for Christmas, for winter generally. So I knit every single day. Yes, how bizarre is that? But I do like to knit every single day. It just makes me feel so good. It's like, it's a huge pleasure for me to do it. And I love when things are turning out to be so nice afterwards, after you've done the knitting, and the ready-made garment looks so nice and perfect.